Hey, welcome back to another video, man. I hope you having a good day. All right. If you're not, get out the house, man. It's a nice day. If you live in Delaware. But right now I'm at Silver Lake Park. See the waterfront. And a little man over there, he trying to be a YouTuber. He doing video too. But I'm gonna take it around so you can see. If you like to fish, you like fishing, come down to Silver Lake Park in Dover, Delaware. And go fishing. Look at the lake. Trees. We got a bike. This bike stay right here. Playground for the little kids, if you got little kids. It's a trip. I'm gonna follow the trip. We have a boat. You also bring your boat on the water. Over there is an apartment complex. Come on. Got a little waterfall, I guess. Got people out here fishing. Hey, did I catch anything?
Yeah, we caught a few.
Yeah? They got it with y'all? Y'all put it back?
We let everything go.
Oh. How long y'all been fishing down here?
Huh?
How long you been fishing over here?
Oh, probably since 11 o'clock maybe.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's the best time to come out?
Well, it depends.
So how far do y'all go? Y'all just stay around here? Or?
Yeah, we fish all over the place, really.
Uh-oh.
Just back up a little bit, hit it a little harder. Don't stop. Keep going. That's good. I'll reel it in.
It's a nice little boat too. Nice little boat.
Yes, 23 years old.
23? Wow. It look brand new.
She got some,
Yep.
she's caught thousands of fish and she's got a lot of time on her.
Yeah. Yo, this is the only place you come or you go other places?
Oh, we've been everywhere with it. Been to Florida with it. We've been to
Florida, wow.
Wisconsin, Georgia, Alabama, all over the place.
Oh, wow. All right, man. It was nice talking to you, man.
All right, you too, bud.
Hey, buddy. What you doing, man? What you got? Hey, Chief. You catch anything?
Yeah. Mostly bluegills.
Oh, yeah?
One crappie.
Ain't a lot of people ain't out today, man. Maybe because it's getting cold.
Oh yeah.
But this place be packed with people. I want to see if I can get something on camera.
I'd rather not.
Huh?
I'd rather not be on a film or camera or nothing.
No, I just want to get the fish. Oh, you got the fish? Matthias! Matthias! Oh, look, let me just get the... you got some.
Little crappie.
Little crappie. Wow. All right, thank you, buddy. You still doing a YouTube video? Hey, man, we got a bunch of YouTubers around Delaware now. Even little man trying to be a YouTuber. You see what?
You're the one that, ever since I told you that I want to be a YouTuber, that's why you want to be a YouTuber.
Nah.
That's
Hold on, let me get that on the camera. Let me get this on the camera. The ducks in the water. I think the duck be eating the fish too. So look at that big bird. Well, it's a little empty today. There ain't too many people still at the park. I guess because it's cold. It's getting cold. And feature YouTuber over there. Hey, don't be recording me, man. Come on, let's go. Got a little walkway. You done recording?
Until something exciting happens.
Until something exciting happen? But what do you think gonna happen?
I don't know. That duck chasing me.
The duck gonna be chasing you?
Sounds fun. Oh yeah.
How many subscribers do you have now?
46.
46? How long you been doing it?
Since I was 3.
No, how long you been doing that YouTube
Oh,
channel?
this YouTube channel?
A couple months, right?
Well, I had it. I started posting. I've been having it, but I started posting in like around April 1st and stuff.
And you got 40 subscribers already. 48.
I think 6.
Listen, guys, if you want to be a YouTuber, just do it, man. It's hard when you record your video and nobody watches. but you still go out there and still record. It's a hard thing, but believe in yourself like you believe in God. And anything is possible, right?
Mm-hmm.
For those people that's still watching my video, I appreciate you. You know what I mean? I appreciate you watching my video. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. I appreciate everything. All right? Thank you. Nah, follow me. They got a lot of trails there, so if you like walking around, take a little break for yourself, you can just come here and just walk around and think and clear your mind, or record a video. Hey man, I keep recording every day now, man. I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube. That's the key, be consistent. You should start doing YouTube and just quit. But I believe, like, you know what I mean, being consistent gonna pay off for me at some point. Did that fast. What happened to the volleyball nets? What you doing? You talking to the camera? Huh? You talking to the camera? Hey, come on, let's go get a thumbnail update. Silver Lake Park. Silver Lake Park.
Where?
Silver Lake Park, that's the name of this place.
Yeah, no, already told.
Hmm?
Already told.
Oh.
Not you.
Alright, man, this is the entrance to the park. This song right there. Alright, look. Do this.
Backwards.
Stand over there.
Go backwards. I try to do this, but it's backwards.
Stay over there. Turn around, turn around.
It's a city of Delaware. Silver Lake Park.
Alright, that's a good one. My battery
Let's go back to the park, guys.
getting low. I guess I'm building a bathroom over there or something. Or something brand new. Hey,
What, we're leaving?
let's go this way.
I'm going to the park.
Let's go this way.
I said I was going to the park.
What's going on? All them sirens. But look, guys, this is a little walk through Silver Lake Park, Dover, Delaware. Make sure you hit the subscribe, join the family, and let's make this work, all right? If you homeboy and you live in Dover, Delaware, come outside, man. Enjoy the park, have fun, walk around, all right? Go fishing. See you next video. Look at feature YouTuber. What you doing?
Dad.
You got the camera rolling.
Dad, two other castles, like this a little bit, like a little tall. Two other ones. Then.
What you building?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Sandcastle. Oh, my knees. My knees are dirty.
Ooh.
Oh, cheers. For sandcastle. Sandcastle.
That's a castle. Sandcastle.
The flag. And then. And then. No, I'm in the book.
Future YouTuber in training right there. Oh, I'm on your video.
Don't go on my screen.
My fault.
There we go. Sandcastle. Big. And then. Now it's gone. Look, so the sand used to all be this color. Now it's this color. Look, you'll see.
Hey man, if y'all do have kids, bring your kids out here, man. Your kids gonna love it too, man. Like he like it.
Park, let's go.
Going to the park?
Yeah.
You doing YouTube shots?
Sometimes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Oh, this is a video.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
Why you? Well, alright.
What?
Why you ain't turn it on?
Because I can't.
Oh, alright.
So I have to go like this.
Alright, peace. We better hang out at the park for a little bit.
Okay.
Peace this time for real, alright? See you next video. At the gas station, man. Alright. Oh, I gotta take this stuff up first. Put some gas in this car. It's not trying to work. I'm about to go pick little man up from school. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice day, man. Look around. Smyrna, Delaware, man. Wawa gas station. Which gas station have the cheapest gas? I think they're all the same. Hey, welcome back, YouTube, live from Delaware, man. I hope you're having a good day out there. Another blood day, nice day. Now, I mean, I'm at the ready right now. I'm about to get me some clippers. I'm sick and tired of paying them barbershop money, you know? I'm gonna cut my own hair, cut my son hair. That's how we gonna do it. Let's go in here. Though I haven't been ready in a long time. This like a.
You gotta go to personal care?
I don't even know, bro. I'm just gonna walk around until I find it. I ain't been here in a long time. Excuse me. How you doing? You know where I have your clippers?
Yeah. 5.
5. All right, thank you.
No problem.
Aisle 5 clippers. What the hell? It's not. Oh yeah, right here. Which one is the good one? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? It's a hard decision, man. Probably go with this one. You got a kiss and everything. I can just keep it in there. Yeah, right, go with this one. Let me cut my own hair. Well, give my own lineup. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Oh, this one, look, they got everything. This one got a kiss, so I don't know. All right, go with this one. Hope you're getting out the house, man. You're having a good day. Chilling. You know what I'm saying? Stop stressing. Life is too beautiful to be stressing. Get out the house and do something. Have fun. Go shopping. Go buy your clippers. Hey, all right.
How do you spell your name?
I gotta wait. She on the phone. Well, yes, you'll have an opportunity to win a T-shirt. Delaware to the World T-shirt. All right. Link gonna be in my description. Send me a DM of your information. I'll send it to you. I hope you like it. Delaware to the World, representing Delaware.
You don't have girls, are